Hi, Tom DiGregorio, founder of AquaGuard Foundation Solutions. Today I want to talk about hydrostatic pressure. What is it and what kind of problems does it cause? Well, hydrostatic pressure has to do with the amount of pressure that's created typically around the foundation of your home. You have dirt. When you add a lot of water, that water has to find a way to relieve itself or level itself, and in doing so creates a tremendous amount of pressure on your foundation walls. Kind of an abstract example of that is if you're in a swimming pool and you have a ball in your hand and you push that ball just below the surface, it's not too hard to hold it, but the further you push it down, the harder it is for you to hold, and then when you let go of it, that ball just comes flying out of the water, relieving itself because of the pressure that was created. Same type of thing kind of happens with water around your foundation. And when that pressure builds up to such an extent, it can literally push water through the tiniest of cracks in a poured foundation wall. That pressure can also push so strong laterally, especially on a block wall, that it will literally bend and bow a block wall. So if you think you have any of these kind of problems, please give us a call before it's too late. Have us out for a completely free inspection of your home and give you back peace of mind.